Assalamu alaikum playgroup class. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is recognition things at home. Playgroup class. In this lecture we will recognize the different things that are found at home, but today we will discuss some of them. So students, first of all, watch on screen. What are you watching? Do you know what is this? This is a cushion. The next one is table. What is this? This is a table. The third picture is clock. This is a clock. The next picture is telephone. This is a telephone. The next one is chair. This is a chair. The last picture is lamp. This is a lamp. Now students, read with me. Cushion, table, clock, telephone, chair and lamp.